So friends, let's start with today's recipe. Now I've taken 4 large eggs and I've brought just boiled them in some water for about 15 minutes. So let them boil in this water for 15 minutes and then transfer them to a bowl which has got, room temperature water. Let it sit in that for 15 minutes. Then when it's, it's in like at room temperature and you can handle the eggs, then you just start peeling the eggs and keep them in a separate bowl. Because if the eggs are hot and you try to peel them, then it all the peel and uh, the egg part also does come off. So let it cool to room temperature. Then we're just going to cut them up into halves and we're just going to scoop out the yolks in a separate bowl. So in this way, just cut the eggs up into half and take a spoon and the yolks will come out very, very easily. So these are hard boiled eggs. That is, you have to boil them for 15 minutes and then let them sit in room temperature water for another 10 to 15 minutes. And once you're able to handle the eggs, only then start, shelling them or de-peeling or peeling them. That way, the eggs won't break, etc. So now I'm going to take these yolks and I'm going to mash them up really, really well with the back of a spoon. Now I'm going to add some English mustard sauce to this, about a teaspoon. Next, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Mash everything really, really well. It has to be a very, very smooth kind of paste. Now I'm going to add about a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. Then I'm going to add some salt to taste and again mix everything really well. So you have to have this very thick kind of a consistency of the paste. It shouldn't be too runny. And now I'm just going to add about 3/4 of a teaspoon of Tabasco sauce. This really, brings up the flavor of the yolks and it just elevates the dish to another level. Now I'm just going to put this into a piping bag. You can use, a spoon and just put it into the whites of the egg. But otherwise, if you use a piping bag, then it really, you can make, it just goes into the right place and it looks pretty too. And then just garnish it with some coriander. I had spring onions at home, so I just chopped them very fine. If you wanted a little spicy, you can just sprinkle a little bit of red chili powder on top too. And that's it, friends. Your lovely egg starters are all ready. Try out this dish, friends. It's really, really simple and very, very tasty.